Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to start a video call on Discord mobile. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your Discord app. Now go to your account. Press on your friends. Now go to your friends account. Now you can see the option of video call. From here you can start a video call. Press on I'm ready. That's it. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.